Hi, this is Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group at the 2018 ARC Orlando Forum. My guest is Tom Burke, President and founder of the OPC Foundation. Tom, welcome to Orlando.
Thank you, Harry. It's a pleasure to be here at such an exciting event.
Well, look, you guys had an announcement earlier this week of cooperation with Fieldcom Group and OPC Foundation. Can you tell me briefly what that's about?
There's a lot of excitement about the power of the OPC UA technology and the importance of what we're doing with the Fieldcom Group from an OPC Foundation perspective is actually to look at the opportunity for standardization across all devices in process automation and in manufacturing. This is an exciting opportunity for the end users and the suppliers that will actually be able to bring forward technology that will allow standardization of data and be able to take that data and information and push it into the cloud. It's exciting that OPC and Fieldcom, who have been working together for a long time, are actually working very productively together to establish a standard base for the future.
So that standard base for them is represented in the FDI technology for managing devices, right?
That's correct.
And so what are you bringing to the table with OPC?
So what we bring to the table with respect to FDI and incorporation into OPC-UA is we allow this capability now for all these devices to actually have the ability to connect up with the industrial Internet of Things such that we can take that data and configuration information and actually have it resident in the cloud. This is an exciting opportunity as we partner with many organizations for this standardization activity.
Sounds great. What else is going on with OPC UA these days?
Well, there's a lot of excitement about the overall collaboration and adoption of the technology. One of the most exciting things we did is actually partnering with ARC, and ARC did an extensive analysis about the adoption of the technology, not only for the past, but also awareness and increasing for the future. What we're doing with things like Industry 4.0 and the industrial Internet of Things, ARC has provided a great value to us, actually helping us really take a look at what are the market opportunities that OPC should be pursuing, which actually even provides more significant adoption of the technology outside of just industrial automation.
Well, we're seeing it everywhere in industrial automation, so it's good to have you here. I really appreciate you being with us.
Thank you, Harry. I appreciate it.
This is Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. My guest has been Tom Burke from the OPC Foundation.